Hello, my name's Kjartan and I'm an author, and here's a couple of the things that have come out recently that have got my name on the front. But what I want to show you is a trick from here, the magic of maths. I love maths because you can do games, you can do puzzles, and one of the best toys you can have to help you is this, a pack of cards. Oh, you've got a pack, if you've got a pack of cards, you can do so many good things. I'm going to show you a little sort of trick puzzle thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards is all I need. Let's do it on the table here. Here, come on, have a look at this. It's just a little counting game and it works like this. I put 1 to the bottom and turn over the first card, and that's the ace. We'll call that 1, yeah? And I put 2 to the bottom, 1, 2, and that's the 2. 1, 2, 3, and that's the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's the 5. And guess what the last card is? It's the Joker. By the way, you don't have to use real cards. If you haven't got a pack of cards, you can just use bits of paper with numbers on. So what's the secret? It all depends on having the 6 cards in the right order before you start. So you've just seen what I did. Here's the puzzle. Can you work out what order you should have those 6 cards in so you can do what I just did? Can you work it out? And if you can't work it out, or you want a quick shortcut, I've been nice to you. Look what I've done here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you want to see what order the cards should go in, you will have to play this video again and pause it when I click my fingers, which is now. All right, have you got that? Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Have fun. Bye.